So we just love this rolling shade here. I'm going to show you how it was sent to me, and then I'm going to show you how we installed it here up on our pergola. It comes with a little tool to wind it up so we don't have to reach way high up on the beam, and it just makes it so easy. And then there's all the hardware that you need to install it. It was super simple, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. So here's the area where we're going to install it. You can see it gets a lot of sun here, so I'm going ahead and unpacking it here, getting all the hardware set out for me to install it here. I went ahead and drilled in the bracket there on the right, and then next I'll be doing the other bracket on the other side. And with the help of my husband, I was able to get this installed up there on the pergola, and just ignore my solar panel that I have there on the right. But as you can see, it went together really quick. In about 15-20 minutes, we had it up there, and it was so easy to install. It has those nice little hooks at the bottom and bungee cords so that you can hold it in place so the wind doesn't blow it all over the place. And then retracting it was easy. You just undo those bungee cords and then you just start winding it up. We really appreciate this. It really blocks out a lot of the harsh UV rays, 95% of the UV rays, and just makes a nice area for us to enjoy our meals when the sun is in full force. It also allows for a lot of the air to still move through because there's holes in the mesh, which is really nice. We really appreciate this tool here that makes it easy to retract the shade and let it back down. I've gone ahead and sped up the process here just to show you how easy it is, but we just really enjoy it. It makes being able to sit outside nice so that we can have shade when we're visiting out there, and also provides a little bit of privacy from our neighbors. And this is really well built. It provides just what we need here out on a pergola. It would also work in a lot of different places around our property. This was sent to us to review, but as always, our thoughts and opinions are our own, and we really like it, and we think that you're going to love it too.